The R sound, as we say it in English, is unlike R in most other languages. We can easily hear how different the English R sounds. In some languages, like Spanish and Italian, it is the tongue tip vibrating on the gum just behind the upper teeth. In Spanish,
regla,
in Italian,
regola.
There is no such tongue tip vibration in English, however. For example, in English, rule. In French and Hebrew, it is the back part of the tongue touching or almost touching the soft palate, the back part of the roof of the mouth. In French,
Règle,
in Hebrew,
rechor,
but in English, rest. Here is the secret to mastering R in English. You should not feel any contact of the tongue with the front, top, or back of your mouth. There is no vibrating noise for the R in English. Rest, reason, room. We need two positions of the mouth to make the R correctly in English. These positions are shaped at the same time. The tongue tip curls upward and towards the back of the mouth, but without touching. The tongue shapes the sound, but the tongue itself does not make any noise. Think tongue tip, back. The second thing to remember is that the lips form a square shape, protruding slightly forward. Think lips forward. Together, think tongue tip back, lips forward. Here are some words with the R sound at the beginning. Read, reach, rich, rather, wrong, rust, room, Rome, Russia, round. For more free tutorials and for information about speech training programs, visit confidentspeech.com.